Hey, welcome to How's Channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to set up automatic update on macOS. Click on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the list. Go to the App Store. Check the Automatically Check for Your Updates option. You can customize the settings. Check the options you want to keep. For example, Install App Updates. Click on Show Updates. You will see a list of the available updates. Click on Update or Update All. It will restart your computer, but you can choose the later option from the dropout list. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!